Hey everyone, welcome back to Fat Bike Asinine. Just do a little quick one here for you. So I had so much trouble doing a super easy swap, I thought, of a fork. So I put on this RockShox Bluto fork, and coupled along with it, I had bought these Sunringle wheels, and I thought, hey, you know, I'll just throw everything together at the same time. That did not work out at all. So this wheel, and I got it off of bikesdirect.com. Usually I'm pretty satisfied with stuff I get from them. I got my other carbon fat bike from there, and for some reason they advertised this wheel or this hub as a 150 millimeter, so should fit perfectly in this 150 millimeter wide fork. But however, it didn't. So I took some measurements, and it turns out it's only 142 millimeters. So I had to scour the internet, you guys, for hours. I mean, I'm not talking just a couple, actually several hours for a couple days in a row. And I finally found this really cool website called mtbtools.com, where this guy Chris, I believe was his name, basically machines these parts and stuff. So I bought a little kit, and it came with these I'm gonna reach in through here, and it came with these little metal spacers, if you can see them here, that basically makes the wheel fit 150. Very cool. All right, that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, go fat biking.